What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since the last time. So today we're going to be making homemade Chipotle bowls. I say homemade Chipotle bowls, but it's going to have a little bit of different style. It's not going to be the exact same as Chipotle. I haven't looked up any mock recipes or anything like that. It's just going to be all from what I think would taste good in a Chipotle bowl. It's my first ever time doing this, so I don't really know what to expect from it or if it's going to turn out good at all. If it's a fail, it's a fail. If it's not, that's great. You guys can try it. But if it does fail and you guys have any suggestions of how I can make it better, please tell me down in the comments below. If you guys enjoy this type of video, these cook with me's, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So for our recipe of the homemade Chipotle bowls, you'll need chicken, or if you want to go for beef, you can do that as well. Rice, black beans, cheese dip or queso, salsa to your liking, sour cream. We're going to use an avocado, salt, pepper for the chicken, and then lettuce. Step number one is to take the chicken and cut it up into small pieces, whatever size you would like to eat in your chicken bowl. Okay, then as the chicken is over here cooking, we're going to start preparing and making the rice, so they're done about the same time. So if you're unaware of how to make rice, even though it does say on the back of the box, you want to do 1 part water to 1 part rice. So if you're doing 1 cup of rice, you want 1 cup of water. Since this is both for me and Chloe, so 2 people, we're going to do 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water, and that should be good for 2 servings of rice in our chicken bowls. Now we have the water boiling, so we can put the rice in, and as soon as we put the rice in, we'll stir it, turn off the heat, and then put a lid on it. So there's 1 cup. Two cups of rice. Turn it off. Stir it up a little bit, and then I need to find the lid, and then this bad boy right here should fit it. Ah! Now that the rice is finishing up, we're heading over making the black beans. So we're gonna warm these up, and then we're also going to heat up the queso dip while we're at it as well. And then everything should really be done. You just throw it all together in a bowl. I know we don't have the actual Chipotle bowls or like style of bowls, but it'll be the same. Now, one thing that is different, that's majorly different than Chipotle, is that Chipotle likes to put cilantro on absolutely everything. They cook their meat in cilantro, their rice in cilantro. It's in their salsa, I believe. So we didn't put any cilantro on anything. There's also a couple differences here and there about like the Chipotle bowl. So like obviously the chicken's gonna taste a little bit different than it would at the actual restaurant. But this is like our style of it, and I haven't looked up any mock recipes or anything like that. So it's just all me, all like my own flavor or taste to it, and we'll see how it turns out. On to the next step. While the beans are in the microwave warming up, we're going over to the lettuce. You can use absolutely whatever lettuce you want, but we decided to go with the romaine hearts. You can use iceberg, whatever. It doesn't matter. Lettuce is lettuce. Well, there's different kinds for a reason, I guess, but use whatever you want. Let's wash it up, get washed up and cut up. And there you have it. That is the homemade Chipotle bowl. Hopefully you guys go out and try it yourself now. I think it was pretty good overall for my first ever time making it. Yeah, you can change a little bit of things up here and there to make it a little bit better. But if you did enjoy, please try it down below. If you change anything up, let me know as well, because maybe I'll try it again later in the future with your recipe instead. But as always guys, thank you very much for watching. I know my hair looks a little different than what it was in the last couple clips. That was filmed at the beginning of quarantine, and now we're in May. So my hair's a little bit longer now, so hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below what you thought of it. And as always guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ding on the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.